item 59 in the connected matter, Your Lordship, I am appearing. I have already appeared, in fact. So there, we got notice from my learned friend that matter will be taken at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
It was yesterday before Your Lordship in the connected matter, the first item. So both have connected, will come today.
Yeah.
Now Your Lordship may see the previous order where the notices have paragraph 3 of Your Lordship's order. Notice is sent to opposite party number 3 to 6 by registered post with AD. Within 3 weeks, requisitive shall be filed within 3 working days.
Yeah.
We filed it, my lord, but that has not gone to my lord's registry. They are the service provider who have given us employment. So I think Your Lordship would agree that their presence is required. Because they...
Notice is not sent to them.
No, Your Lordship will look at the office note. Today's office note.
That is not sent.
Because that, my lord, change of government's policy regarding abolishing registered post and speed post. So we have put in with registered post. So now in the mean speed post, the differential amount is to be paid. So we have to put in the differential amount.
Okay. You will do that?
We will do it by today. By today or tomorrow, as soon as the file returns.
In fact, they are the vocational training provider. Here, the policy of the government has been challenged. And pursuant to that, Your Lordship has stated the Annexure 7. That is nothing but a timeline was issued. Dates of selection, the procedure. That is. Your Lordship has stated that as a result of 3,100 or more posts have been halted.
These are all temporary employees are sought to be displaced with temporary employees again.
1 second. How many of petitioners are how many?
Petitioners in both cases are 19. 19 in total in both the cases.
Both the cases?
19.
So far as that interim order to is confined, we can say 19 posts will keep vacant.
Yes, Your Lordship can say, but Your Lordship may kindly see that Annexure 7 they have challenged.
Annexure 7.
It is not a they have challenged.
If Your Lordship is not...
Just please. Annexure 7, page 71 to the reflection.
71 again? Later.
Your Lordship got that?
Yes.
This is a timeline.
And in many cases, that time is gone now.
So interim order has become infructuous.
Then Your Lordship, next page. That I want to show Your Lordship. Clause 5.
Priority shall be
according to the existing vocational trainers and vocational coordinator during the selection process. Their apprehension is that when the tender was issued by the agency, they apprehend that their service will be terminated. But the government has categorically, by the Annexure 7, directed to all the managing directors, opposite party number 3 to 6.
Priority to the existing vocational trainer.
Yes. They are continuing.
No, if you say that they will be continued, I will record that.
That they won't say.
No, if he says that.
They won't say that. They won't say, Lordship. I will say, my lord, it is not a question of 19%.
Answer, my lord. I will answer.
They should have said that. That will keep all these people. My lord, there are 20 people before Lordship. You must not. Mr. Lanka, let us be fair and clear.
I am already fair and clear. Your Lordship may pass order taking note of that.
At this stage, Your Lordship may not modify the order. At this stage, why I am submitting my lord?
I have already, but I have some reservations. I have talked with them. We have no hesitation to keep them in here. So on the basis of this, Your Lordship may pass it.
No, this order...
He is saying he will continue.
Yes.
I mean, Your Lordship,
Your Lordship,
I heard Your Lordship may hear me now.
He agrees with your contention.
My lord...
And still you want to argue.
Not arguing, Your Lordship. I am showing my Lordship's own order.
That's all right. Now he is saying, yes, we will not discontinue these people, we will continue you people. Still you want to argue.
These 19 people are protected, my lord.
Yes.
Why I am arguing a little further. There was an association before my lords in 22418 of 2025, page 67. There, your lordship dispose of their representation in terms of that Madhya Pradesh judgment, your lordship. MP judgment, that is Dipti Pandey, your lordship knows that one set of temporary employees cannot
Be substituted by another.
No, in that case, my lord, in the MP case, the Honorable High Court has remanded the matter for reconsideration.
No.
Ratio has been decided.
No. Ratio is there in the division bench of this court. I will place that, your lordship.
No, Mr. Saraki, I understand. Assuming that what he says is true. Still, what he says is the existing employee shall be continued.
Yeah, I have no question, your lordship. Dispose of employees, whoever are there, say working since 2016, if they are retained and further employees are taken, I have got nothing to say, my lord.
That your lordship may pass on my concession.
No, you give in writing what you want, what you have said now. Give
Yes.
it in writing. I will make it a part of the art. Whatever you said now, it is available online also.
Yes, on the record.
Give us in writing 2 lines. In terms of that, I will dispose of the petition. That's what he wants, nothing more than that. His grievance is that you are not putting it in writing. You say it in writing.
No, we have, in our counter, we have said that priority shall be.
Priority, your lordship, you are right.
That's why my respectful submission before lordship, on the basis of that clause 5, that priority shall be given, your lordship may pass. Yeah.
No, priority means what?
But in the selection process, they have also applied. They are also the participants.
Yeah.
Their case will be considered.
On priority basis.
Yes, right.
Yes, Mr.
That is.
No, your lordship, not acceptable. Your lordship may plead. Why I say?
Your lordship has passed, madam. We have no hesitation. But there is some reservation point which
What I said, your lordship, that he won't say that. That is what I say.
And if your lordship will pass, we will honor your lordship. That is my submission.
Before your lordship passes in,
My lord Senior is trying to linger in the matter somehow.
how so? What you were making aspersion? Your lordship.
Courts
Yes, this one for we are
there after 4 months, right there.
rights. I'm saying.
They are
my leaders.
Agency, my lord.
My lord, and that outsourcing agencies, why the notices have been issued, they are not sufficient. That is what I was saying, my lord.
No, that's all right.
Your lordship may look at this order, division bench of this High Court's order. He says Madhya Pradesh has got reservation. That is not what he says, is not correct. Your lordship may look at. Division bench of High Court, I will take your lordship straight to first paragraph, my lord. The case of the third paragraph, the case of the petition is that he has passed the degree course in architecture in the first class pursuant to the advertisement dated 25/7/2009 for the post of lecturer in architecture issued by the principal college engineering such and such. Opposite Patnawari, he appeared at the interview. In the said interview, he was elected on 29/8/2009 by the lecturer. For one issued an office order appointing the petitioner as a lecturer in architect such and such on contractual basis. On 8/7/2010, opposite part number 2 issued an office order such and such. I am skipping that, your lordship. Then I am taking my lordship the last but 3 lines. Thereafter, he was appointed for the current semester 2012-13 up to 31/12/2012 or till filling up the post by regular appointment as he had continuously and satisfactorily worked as a lecturer for 3.5 years. Instead of filling up the post by regular appointment, a third advertisement was issued for the same post on 19/12/2012 had annexure 6. The petitioner again the same. He further stated that third advertisement was issued to accommodate some candidates on extraneous consideration and the same is qualified. Pursuant to the issuance of notice, I am skipping that for the timing, your lordship. Then my lord may kind to turn to page, next page.
How long, what is that they are doing now?
They are already trainers since 2016.
2016.
Then my lord, second, you lordship may look at this paragraph.
Slowly. I am not as fast or as years as you are.
My lord is way ahead than us.
But
Secondly, an ad hoc employee,
Short note.
give that note.
an ad hoc or temporary employee should not be replaced by another ad hoc or
That has
temporary.
been long been set. That long has been settled. Any student of service law will know that. But that will not be.
So this being so, you want to change this priority? What priority, my lord? There, this person had appeared and they had failed. Still, the lordship said no. Everything is quashed.
Yeah, you too have applied for the post in question?
No.
You are not applied. Now they want to bring other set of employees.
Yes.
Contractual employees
Yes.
in your place.
Yes.
Is it true?
No.
Regular appointment.
Yes. No. Through agency and contract.
Outsourcing.
And consolidated amount are paid.
Outsourcer.
Same process.
The central sponsored scheme again. Funded by central government. And the object of the scheme I have given also.
Had it be regular employment, I have got nothing to say.
To whom notices have gone?
This service
Provider.
Yes.
How they are necessary?
they are the persons to whom they have
They are only
selected.
agencies.
They have selected. Now those agencies have changed.
Correct. But
Now
agencies-
your lordship knows the obvious purpose. Government went, new set of government came, something. Your lordship was saying in one case also, your lordship knows all these things. But question is,
No, how you are concerned?
no, I am not concerned. I won't be there. My agency come, I won't be there. That is the whole thing, my lord. Whole purpose is that.
But now they are saying that priority will be given to you.
Priority won't suffice, my lord. But
Yes.
appointment is to continue. That is my lord's GB.
These 19 persons.
Others are not in this petition, I cannot say, but in the other case which is association filed, your lordship had directed them to consider representation in terms of Madhya Pradesh judgment.
Yes.
But that is yet to be decided, and they have proceeded with this.
They have not considered that.
That your lordship may can see. Go in my note.
Very.
So where is the counter? Your lordship may ask me the counter.
First paragraph 1 of my note. The prayer is to quash Annexure 7 issued in violation of direction dated 18/8/25 passed by WPC number 418 of 2025. Your lordship has passed this. To direct opposite party number 2 to allow existing trainers to continue in their respective places on ground of having vast experience in similar field in terms of Annexure 3 order of MP High Court. That they are relying. So far, prayer number 1 is concerned. Respect to submissions are that in fact in the fact and circumstances of the case, there is no violation while issuing the Annexure 7 as alleged. On 18/8/2025, this honorable court disposed of the representation number so and so, directing to dispose of the representation dated 28/7/2025, granting 6 weeks time to take a decision. An interim measure directed not to take any coercive action against the petitioner. You are not directed that. Pursuant to the said direction, while the matter was under consideration and before the stipulated time period of 6 weeks expired, as granted by this honorable court, petitioner again on 2/9/25, after 2 weeks, approached this honorable court by present petition just after 2 weeks, alleging violation of direction dated 18/8/25, passed in WPC number also, and prayed for passing of Annexure 7, which is 38/25, a timeline issued to initiate process selection and recruitment of vocational coordinators and vocational trainers. Your lordship is disposed of to consider their representation, and no coercive action will be taken against it. Then, after when matter was under consideration, just after your lordship granted 6 weeks time, just after 2 weeks, completion of 2 weeks, then again they approach your lordship that they have violated, the state has violated your lordship's order, and Annexure 7 may be stayed. By that time, the implementation considered. And your lordship was stayed, and all the process of selection of recruitment were stopped.
No, I confine this interim order only to the petitioner.
It is no coercive action to be taken, your lordship has said.
Correct.
Nothing else.
Yes.
Your lordship has not halted the
They
process.
have not stalled anything.
Yes.
Now they are here. Now what I will make is, there are 18 persons. Not
Yes, 19%.
19 persons.
Yes.
The whatever interim order has been granted
Yes.
is confined to the petitioners before the court.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Your lordship is disposing it of.
Yes.
We'll dispose it off only. We are protecting you, and it will be disposed of.
So our service will be protected.
Your service will be protected in terms of clause 5. Priority shall be given.
No, that is for that your lordship may have to hear the matter.
Not argue.
Yes, your lordship.
Yeah.
My lord, while issuing the notice,
Yeah.
because what I say, your lordship, giving priority is something different than continuing my services, my lord. Whatever servicing I'm in.
But Mr. Renka, what is meant by priority? Let me clarify.
Yes.
By priority.
In the selection process, priority shall be given to this one. This box. In the selection process, their case will be given priority.
Means what?
Means your lordship may say priority means they are continuing. They are eligible, they are continuing.
You have used that word priority.
Yes.
It is not a statute. It is some officer has a priority.
Yes. The project
What is he having in his mind when he employed this word?
their case will be considered.
Means what?
For recruitment, obviously.
On priority basis.
Yes.
Means what?
Obviously their case will be considered.
No.
That is not what it is.
My question remains unanswered.
Yes, sir.
By your submission, it is not a complete answer to my question.
Sorry, ma'am.
What is meant by priority? Ask Mr. G, what is meant by priority?
Priority means, my lord, first they will be given chance for a engagement, thereafter others will be engaged.
Means they will be engaged thereafter for whatever
Recruitment process is going on, they will be engaged. Other candidates.
Priority will be given in selection process.
Unless these English words sometimes will play a lot of mischief. You will say priority is given. Well, actually, unless you say what is meant by priority, they will not be satisfied.
Annexure 7 is a selection timeline for a selection process.
Yeah.
In that Annexure 7, it has been written.
They don't have any respect for the court's order. Your lordship directed 18 to consider a representation. They come up with an advertisement on 30.
No.
Just wait. I am submitting to court. I am not submitting to you.
Every respect.
Sir, your lordship passed an order on 18-8 in the earlier writ petition to consider my representation. They have come up with the notification on 30th of August. They say now 6 weeks had not expired. How did they come to the court?
The court had
So your lordship, no, that protection came later. Protection came later.
When your lordship,
Where is the interim order?
Interim order, your lordship, 9/9/2025. Interim order very clear, my lord.
What it says? No
Lord-
coercive action shall be taken.
yes,
Order number such and such, senior counsel such and such to the earlier order of court. This is important, my lord. Appearing for the petitioner draws attention of the court to the earlier order of this court in WPC number 22418 of 2025, disposed of on 18/8/2025, wherein consideration of petitioner's representation in the light of WPC such a Dipti Pandey case, my lord, disposed of in such and such were directed. A prima facie case is made out for granting provisional protection since the very breadwinner of the petitioner is at stake. In the above circumstances, the application having been favored, the impugned order dated such and such 30th/8/2025.
Heard counsel appearing for the parties. First one. Learned AGA Mr. Lenka submits that the interim order is too broad and the entire process has been interdicted by its breadth. First, he further submits that the interim order be confined to the petitioners, as has been observed by apex court in a Keteno decision. First, the senior advocate appearing for petitioner submits that if their service, the services of his clients are continued, they have no quarrel with the OPs. First, in the above circumstances, the interim order dated where is that? What do we do?
10/9, my lord. 9/9.
9/9/2025 is confined to petitioners. First, eventually, the process in respect of others would continue.
This order will be in the first case as well.
In whichever case.
No, both the cases, 19,
Both the cases.
both the cases. Also.
Yes. In other cases, how many members?
They are 9, here 10.
Yeah.
So this order will pass
You
in both.
continue them, rest of the people you go for the process.
Public.
Yes.
हेलो व्यूअर्स किछि पिला माने कंप्लेन कले कि आपणकर जो बुझेबा केस रो डिटेल्स ठीक नहीं सेतिपई मु ए जो केस रो डिटेल वीडियोटा 20 मिनिट रो मु आपणको पाखरे उपस्थापन करूची आपण एही केस टी को पुंखानुपुंख भाव रे सुनी एहार अर्थ बुझिबा को चेष्टा करंतु आउ आपण मु भाबुची आपण एही केस टी संपूर्ण सुनिबा परे आपण जानी परिबे कि मु जो एक्सप्लेनेशन देइथिली केस रो सेतिरे कोनोसी भूल नाही आउ सेम जिंस ही जस्टिस कहउचंती समस्त चेष्टा करंतु सुनिबा पई भलसे आउ बुझिबा पई धन्यवाद पुणी एक वीडियो सहित आपण पाखक आसीबी बहुत शीघ्र थैंक यू ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर पेशेंस एंड थैंक यू फॉर योर कोऑपरेशन।